Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a super useful Windows tip: how to turn on search indexing in Windows for 2025. If you've ever noticed your file searches taking forever, that's probably because search indexing is turned off. This feature helps Windows quickly find files by creating an index of your content, making searches lightning fast. It's especially handy if you work with a lot of documents or photos. Let's get right into it. First things first, make sure you're on a recent version of Windows, like Windows 11 or the latest updates. Start by opening the Start menu and typing Indexing Options into the search bar. Click on it when it appears. If you're prompted, you'll see a window that shows your current indexing status. If it's turned off, don't worry, it's easy to fix. Next, in the Indexing Options window, click on Modify to see what's being indexed. But to actually turn it on, go back to the main window and click Advanced. Here, you can rebuild the index if needed, but for now, just ensure the service is enabled. If it's disabled, head to the Services app by searching for it in the Start menu. Look for Windows Search in the list, right-click it, and select Properties. Make sure the startup type is set to Automatic, and then click Start to enable it. Hit OK, and you're good to go. Once that's done, give it a minute or two for Windows to start indexing your files. You might notice a slight performance hit at first, but it's worth it for faster searches later. If you run into any issues, like errors in the Services app, try restarting your computer or checking for Windows updates. And there you have it. Search indexing is now turned on. This simple tweak can save you tons of time. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more Windows tips and tricks. Drop a comment below if you have questions, and we'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.